Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how I take my nails from a hot mess in need of a filling to fabulousness all over again. This is a trick I do whenever I don't have time to go back to the nail salon, but I need a refresher. So we're starting off with nails in desperate need of a filling, and here's what you'll need. Nail art stones, only $1 at shopmissA or your beauty supply store. Clear nail polish, and tweezers. These steps are pretty much self-explanatory, so I don't need to do a lot of talking, but what you're going to do is take out some nail art stones. You're going to use the clear nail polish to place in the part that you need your filling, and you just take your time placing the stones where they need to go. I would just suggest make sure that you don't put too much clear nail polish, but you do want enough so that the stones kind of stick to your nail. And here I am just speeding up the process for you so you don't have to watch me do each stone step by step, but you get the point. Just finish off with another coat of polish and there's your finished product. My other recommendation would be to use a really good clear nail polish, like a good top coat. You want something that you usually don't have problems with flaking or anything. This was a new polish I was using by Milani. I don't think it really did a great job, but it'll do until I go to the nail salon. I didn't include this in the video, but if you do want a stronger hold on your stones, you should use like nail glue or like crazy glue just to keep the stones intact. Here I'm just using the tweezers to make sure that the stones are firmly in place. And because I'm not left-handed, I have to switch the position of my hand and place it closer to me just so I can see what I'm doing. Ta-da! My nails look so much better than before. I just decided to do a quick video on this because I don't think I've ever seen anyone refresh their nails before on YouTube. So if you thought of this before, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you should give it a thumbs up because I'm saving you coins and I'm saving you time. And that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.